Hi everyone, I'm Mike and I'm part of the studio team at SoundM. As part of a small challenge, I thought it'd be fun to compose my own version of an on-hold track and show you step by step of how I made it and give you a little taster of what it might be like composing music for commercial use. So this is my Logic session. As you can see, I've got 5 little bits of audio and I'm going to show you one by one what each are. So I was going for a dad rock kind of vibe, going for maybe car commercials or something along those lines. And I started off with this basic guitar riff that I had. Sounds like this. Very dad rocky. So I played around with this guitar riff for a little bit and added a few changes here and there. And once I was happy, I then double tracked the guitar left and right to have a nice stereo sound, and it sounded like this. Next, I decided to put some drums behind it to get a beat going, essentially. As you can see, I drew in the drum beat that I wanted, and I can solo that on its own so you can hear what it would sound like. And when paired with the guitars, it sounds like this. So obviously now came the time to add bass. While I'm not much of a bass player, I decided to try and do a little bit of a slap bass as I thought it felt right. So this is what the bass sounds like on its own. It's not the best, I'm no slap player, but it'll do. Add those together and you've got a bit more of a thicker belly to it. And finally, I thought I'd add a little bit of flavour on top, so I recorded a final guitar part, which sounds like this. And all together, you have a nice little 30-second dad rock loop, which you could use for your on hold. Just to prove that it actually can be looped, if I cut these bits off, chop that there, you can copy and paste this right there. Probably add a little crossfade in there just to help it out, and it should and there you go. If you enjoyed watching this, please give this video a like and consider sharing it with others. And don't forget to visit our website at soundm.com. Thanks.